Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can undo mistakes like typos, for example, or formatting mistakes, or if you accidentally deleted something in your Microsoft Word document. So let us get started. So just for demonstration purposes, let me just accidentally type in something like that here. So let's assume that's a typo. And maybe you even copied that into a wrong space here. Or maybe you even deleted or removed an entire part of your text accidentally. So let's say you have done some of these mistakes. This is how you can undo these mistakes. All you need to do, guys, is click on that button here at the top, undo typing, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl-Z on the keyboard. That's the way I prefer doing it. So simply press Ctrl-Z on your keyboard to undo the last or the most recent mistakes. And if you press Ctrl-Z repeatedly, you may go further back into the past and then undo most or multiple of these mistakes, the latest or most recent mistakes. And that applies basically to any mistakes you do here in your document, like for example typos or formatting, or if you accidentally, let's say, change the font of that part of your text and you don't like that font, and instead of changing the font back to the default one, simply press Ctrl-Z to undo that mistake or the last step here or action in your Microsoft Word document. And that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.